Good morning, children. I hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome to computer class. Children, today we will draw a Lodi scene. Do you know, children, why we celebrate Lodi festival? Because Lodi festival holds great significance as it marks the harvest of the crops and the end of winter days. The people worship the sun and the fire and thank them for the good harvest. Clear, children? So, are you ready to make Lodi's night scene? Let's start. First of all, take fill with color tool and fill black color on the screen. Okay? Now we will decorate this page by drawing flags on it. Take second brush, draw a curved line. After that, select line tool and make flags like this. Clear, children? Children, on this day, people decorate their houses with flowers, flags, lights, kites, etc. Clear? Now fill beautiful bright colors in these flags. Clear? After filling the colors, you will select these flags with rectangular selection tool and make one more copy with the help of copy and paste option. Now we will rotate this shape with rotate option. Go to rotate and click on flip horizontal. See, shape has rotated. Now set these flags right hand side of the screen. Clear, children? Now we will draw a bonfire with the help of line tool. Take line tool, select brown color and draw slanting lines over here. Children, why do we burn fire on Lodi? Because people believe that the flames of the bonfire lit on the day of Lodi will carry the messages and prayers of the people to the sun god to bring warmth to the planet and help crops to grow. Clear, children? Children, join the lines from the both sides. Draw these lines very carefully. If the lines will not be joined well, then the color will spread on the screen. Clear, all of you? Children, now take second brush from the brushes and draw flames with yellow color. Children, you will not use any shape for making the flames. You will do freehand drawing. Clear, children? Now fill brown color in the logs and yellow and orange color in the flame. Clear, children? Now I am going to make laddus, but before that I will make a plate. Draw oval with red color. Clear? Now again go to shapes, select oval shape and then go to fill and select solid color. Children, I told you earlier that whenever we select solid color option, then we do not need to fill the color again and again, because with this option color will automatically get filled. Clear? I am making 6 laddus. You can make as many laddus as you want. After making one plate of laddus, I will copy it and make one more plate of laddus. Clear? Children, Lodi is a festival of lighting bonfire, enjoying Punjabi food, singing and dancing on the beats of dhol. So now we are going to draw a dhol. Take oval shape, select no fill from the fill option and draw two ovals like this. Now select curve shape and give the shape to the dhol. After drawing the dhol, draw zigzag lines in the center of the dhol. Clear, children? Now children, you can fill any color of your choice in the dhol. I am filling orange color. Clear? Now draw two small circles inside the big circles like this. Clear, all of you? Children, sugar cane is usually harvested in the month of January every year. People also prepare kheer using sugarcane juice during on Lodi festival. So that's why I am going to draw sugar canes. Children, I am doing freehand drawing with brush tool. Now select fill with color tool. Clear? So in this way, children, you can add so many things in your scene. Like you can draw kites, crops, different types of sweets, dancing boy, girl, etc. Now you will practice this Lodi scene on your computer or laptop and enjoy this festival. Happy Lodi to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.